Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram something went wrong. So you have to just go to your settings. So follow the steps how to fix it. So when you open the setting, click to apps and again click to apps. So when it's loading, so you have to find Instagram. It will be loading as soon. So so it will be loading. So you have to scroll down to find now Instagram is there right here. So when you find Instagram, you have to click it. So click to data usage and you have to one by one turn it off: mobile data, Wi-Fi and background data. So again turn it on one by one. Turn it on Wi-Fi and mobile data and background, and you have to also click to storage and clear cache of Instagram for fix it error and something went wrong. To clear it, to use is easily. So you also check app permissions, make all calendar, call log, camera, contact, location, microphone, phone and storage. All the permissions are turn it on for using Instagram. So you have to know. I will refresh it all and I will open my Instagram for checking how it's working. So it will be loading. So it will completely successfully running. This is how to find something wrong on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.